job and I love this experience. IBIE is the most important experience around the world about pastry and bakery.
As a business owner, coming to IBIE, you see the trends, you see the equipment, you see the ingredients, technology. It's definitely worth the trip.
It's so great to be here at IBIE. Not only are we seeing innovations in equipment and technology, but also ingredients. And part of the big draw for me as well is to just be immersed in the baking and pastry community.